Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWhistle. Today, we're diving into Google AI Studio, one of the most powerful tools for building AI applications right now. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the streaming feature and how you can quickly build your own app inside Google AI Studio. Let's jump right in. First up, let's jump right into Google AI Stream. This feature lets you share your screen or even turn on your camera to talk live with Gemini. And the best part is, you can ask it anything in real time. Hi, Gemini.
Hello.
I want to create a document in Google Docs right now.
Okay. To create a document in Google Docs, go to Google Docs website or open the Google Docs app. Then look for a button to create a new document. It usually looks like a plus sign or says New or Blank Document. Click on that button to start a new document.
I want to write text, welcome to TechWhistle, and format it in the center of the page with font size 30.
Okay. First, type the text Welcome to TechWhistle into the document. Then, select that text. To center it, look for the alignment options in the toolbar. It usually looks like a few straight lines, and select the center alignment option. To change the font size, find the font size drop-down menu in the toolbar, usually next to the font name, and select 30.
Great. Now I want to insert an image into the document. How can I do that?
To insert an image, click on the Insert menu in the toolbar. Then select Image. You'll have options to upload an image from your computer, use a URL, or insert images from various sources. Choose the option that works best for you and select the image you want to insert.
All right, now let's explore how to build apps with Gemini inside Google AI Studio. Here, you'll find a showcase of apps that were actually created by Gemini, and I'll try one out so you can see it in action. Let's open the app called Image to Code. This is the app builder UI that Gemini generates for you right inside the studio. You'll notice there are two tabs, Preview and Code. The Preview tab lets you interact directly with the app, while the Code tab shows you the underlying implementation. So let's test it. I'll upload an image, wait a moment, and here's the result. Gemini just generated code based on that image, complete with animations. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's try another showcase app built by Gemini. This one is called Maps Planner. Here in the search bar, it says Explore Place. So let's try exploring London. And there we go. Gemini pulls up some of the most famous spots in London, complete with Google Maps integration. Pretty handy if you're a traveler, right? Of course, this is just one example. You can jump in and try out all the other showcase apps inside Google AI Studio yourself. All right, now let's jump into the most exciting part of this video, building your own app with Gemini in just a few minutes. First, I'll use Google AI Chat to refine my prompt. I start with my own idea and then let Gemini polish it into a better prompt before I feed it into the Build Apps feature. Write me a prompt to create a Google AI Studio Build app with features. Allow user to upload a person image and a product. Tool will combine two image to a image use for studio, marketing for brand with professional, person with product. Next, I simply copy that improved prompt, paste it into the app builder, and wait a moment, and just Just like that, Gemini generates both the code and a working web app UI. You can even switch between the Preview tab to interact with the app and the Code tab to see the source code. And here's our app. Pretty cool UI, right? Let's test it out. I'll upload an image of a girl and a product. And there's the output. Not bad at all. The best part is you can keep improving your app just by writing more prompts, like adding aspect ratio controls, download options, or image quality settings. For example, let's say I want to improve this app by adding an aspect ratio option. I just write a new prompt with that request, feed it into Gemini, and rebuild the app. And here it is. Now the UI has an aspect ratio setting built in. Let's try generating another image using this new option, and there's the result. Pretty awesome how just one extra prompt can upgrade the whole app. So this is just a simple example, but it shows how quickly you can build an app to support your business, boost productivity, or even spark a brand new idea. I hope this video helped you explore some of the most interesting features of Google AI Studio, from using Stream to building your own apps with Gemini. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechWhistle to stay updated on the latest trends in AI and coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.